side, remember this section was about components. It was about understanding the most important concept of React. It is building user interfaces by building and combining components. We learn how to share data between components through this concept of accessories. Now maybe you've already noticed one important thing with all these components that we build. In the end, we simply split our code into multiple files and building blocks, so that if we wanted to have more than one expense item, we can simply use our elements and expense components. We can simply use other custom expense item components multiple times instead of repeating all this code. That's the idea behind the components. In the end, what ends up on the screen are only default HTML elements. This is an important thing to remember and something important to keep in mind. The application we have created so far is great because we had the chance to learn more about components and props. These are two of the most important concepts you get to know when working with React. In the end, it's still static. The data here is set in stone, and that's still what we're going to change in the next course. In the first section, we're going to bring that to life when we get to learn more about a concept called state.